How to see your friends' reels on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to see your friends' reels on Facebook. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Facebook on your laptop or maybe on your phone. So I have opened it up on my phone and you can see this is my Facebook. To watch your friends' reels, you just have to open up your Facebook and at the top you will find what's on your mind, and then we have stories. This is where we find all the stories from our friends, and then you can see we have the option of stories and reels. So if I click on reels, it will switch from stories to reels and it will show me the reels created by my friends and followers. So the same way you watch their stories, you can also watch their reels. You can also open one of the reels to check it out, and you can, simply scroll down and use it as Facebook Shorts or TikTok, and just like reels on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.